Welcome to AsadTech Edge, your go-to channel for AI innovation and future technology. Today, we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the manufacturing industry, driving efficiency, automation, and innovation. List is here. AI-powered automation in manufacturing, predictive maintenance and AI in equipment management, AI-enhanced quality control and defect detection, supply chain optimization with AI, human-machine collaboration in smart factories, challenges and ethical considerations. Let's start. AI-powered automation in manufacturing. AI is revolutionizing manufacturing by enabling smart automation. Robotic systems powered by AI can perform complex tasks with precision, reducing human intervention and increasing production speed. Machine learning algorithms optimize workflows, ensuring seamless coordination between different stages of manufacturing. AI-driven robotics handle assembly lines, quality control, and logistics, minimizing errors and boosting efficiency. Predictive maintenance and AI in equipment management. AI-driven predictive maintenance is a game-changer for the manufacturing industry. By analyzing real-time sensor data, AI detects potential equipment failures before they occur. This reduces downtime, lowers maintenance costs, and extends the lifespan of machinery. Smart AI systems continuously learn from operational patterns, ensuring that maintenance schedules are optimized and unexpected breakdowns are minimized. AI-enhanced quality control and defect detection. AI is enhancing quality control by utilizing computer vision and deep learning algorithms. AI-powered cameras and sensors analyze products at a microscopic level, identifying defects and inconsistencies that human inspectors might miss. This ensures that only high-quality products reach consumers, reducing waste and improving customer satisfaction. AI also adapts to new product designs, ensuring efficient defect detection across various manufacturing processes. Supply chain optimization with AI. AI is transforming supply chain management by predicting demand, optimizing inventory, and improving logistics. Machine learning models analyze market trends, supplier performance, and transportation data to streamline operations. AI-powered warehouse management systems ensure optimal stock levels, reducing overproduction and storage costs. Real-time tracking and AI-driven analytics enhance supply chain efficiency, leading to faster deliveries and reduced operational bottlenecks. Human-machine collaboration in smart factories. AI is not replacing human workers but enhancing their capabilities. Smart factories leverage AI to assist workers in complex tasks, improving safety and productivity. Augmented reality AR and AI-driven assistants provide real-time guidance, reducing errors in assembly and maintenance. AI-powered cobots. Collaborative robots work alongside humans, handling repetitive tasks while allowing workers to focus on more strategic roles. This human-AI collaboration creates a more efficient and safer working environment. Challenges and ethical considerations. While AI brings immense benefits, its adoption in manufacturing also raises challenges. Cybersecurity threats, data privacy concerns, and the need for skilled AI professionals are critical issues. Additionally, ethical concerns about job displacement and workforce reskilling must be addressed. Industries must invest in AI education and retraining programs to ensure a smooth transition into AI-powered manufacturing. AI is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry, making it smarter, more efficient, and highly automated. From predictive maintenance to AI-driven quality control and supply chain optimization, the impact of AI is undeniable. As AI continues to evolve, it will unlock new possibilities, driving innovation and reshaping the future of manufacturing. Stay tuned to AsadTech Edge for more insights into AI and future technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest advancements in AI. See you in the next video.